When I was trying to figure out what kind of helpful videos I wanted to create this year for you, I was just kind of looking at all of the stuff that I've accumulated from different companies over the years. And that's when I realized, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff from Cincha that I've talked about and mentioned in videos, but I've never really given you a proper introduction. I think the very first time I showed Cincha on this channel is when I showed you their original travel belt and reviewed it. And then my love for them grew and their company grew. They went on Shark Tank, they got a deal, and they have just been making so many new incredible products. I've shown you guys a few of them because I have traveled with them, but today we're going to do the proper introduction. Starting from the beginning and showing you the newest items. Like seriously, they have so many new amazing things coming out, I can't even keep track. So originally, Cincha came out with the travel belt, and let me tell you what this is good for. Not every personal item on the market has a trolley sleeve to be able to slip the bag over your luggage. Now, while that is a total game changer, you may not necessarily want to buy a whole new bag just to be able to secure your luggage, and this really comes in handy to secure your personal item to your luggage. Then that way you don't have to take the straps and wrap them around the handle and all sorts of crazy things. Now, the secret to these travel belts, you guys, I mean, it has the most amazing buckle to really keep everything in place, but it's this elastic part here. And that's where you're going to slip this over your luggage handle. And once it's on the handle, you bring these straps around and buckle your personal item on. And that is where the secure the bag part comes in. You could use a bungee if you want to, but it's not going to actually stay. Secure it in place. I've tested it. I use it all the time. It's incredible. They even came out with a skinnier version, and one of the most amazing things, they have a wide version. So if you have a piece of luggage with a wide handle, this will still secure your personal item onto it. Look at all the belts I have. I like my luggage to match. So after the travel belt, they actually came out with this adorable little bag to put on your belt. So while you're wheeling through the airport, you've got essentials in here. And yes, I have boarded the plane before with this bag attached, and it's been fine every time. You know what I end up using this for is actually to put all of my essential items in on the plane. So I will put headphones, eye mask, chapstick, all sorts of stuff in here, put it in the seat back pocket, and voila, I've got all my essentials right here. And then I can attach it to the belt as well. Love these. I have 2 different colors. Now you're probably thinking, okay, a belt and a bag, why don't they just make a belt bag? Oh, they did. I have used my belt bags several times. I have several different colors. I actually used my white one at Holi in India last year, and it got involved in the festivities throwing colors all over it. So this is their belt bag. This is my brown one with the leopard. I wear this all the time. Same thing as the travel belt. You're going to put your luggage handle in here, strap this around your personal item, and then you still have this bag. Zippered pocket here, big area here, 2 slip pockets inside. And of course, when you're not in the airport, it's just a normal belt bag. And so that's all of the stuff I've basically shown you guys on this channel so far. And now I have a lot of new items to show you. So soon after their success on Shark Tank, they did come out with this canvas Go Tote. It's a water-resistant cotton canvas material, and it comes in several different colors. I especially love the striped version that they have out right now, and they are coming out with a leather version as well. This bag has vegan leather details, whether it's the stripe down the side or the handles. You have these short vegan leather handles here, but then if we look at the top of the bag, there's these zippers here where they have the shoulder straps. So it's great. You can keep them out and dangle them down the bag like this, or you can secure them in there so they're not in the way. There's obviously one here and one here. There is a pocket on the back, just a normal zippered pocket, and you'll notice that there's no trolley sleeve because this bag is meant to be used with a travel belt. The vegan leather stripe along the side, it has a little area to seamlessly put your travel belt through, one on each side, and secure it in the front. Not only now will your Go Tote very easily secure itself to your luggage, but it gives it a little extra pop of personality as well. Now that it's on, you can see where this little elastic hole is. That is where your luggage goes. Now, the thing I love about this tote is there is a zipper on top. I can't stand when totes are made for travel, but they don't have a zipper on top. How am I gonna put this under the seat in front of me if there's not a zipper on top and all my stuff is gonna fall out? Makes me crazy. So we can open that up and there's so much space inside and a light interior. I have my 13-inch MacBook Air here in the laptop pocket. This bag holds a 13-inch laptop only, but it does have a nice padding, 2 slip pockets in front of that. You have the Cincha logo, it says secure the bag. You have another zippered pocket here on the opposite side, and then 2 water bottle pockets inside. 2 of them. Now, I've reviewed a lot of bags, especially personal items, and one of the things that always drives me crazy is that there's so many internal pockets that once those are packed, you can't fit a lot of other stuff in there. It's not the case with this canvas Go Tote whatsoever. I have used this so much. I tried to clean it as good as possible. It's got probably a little bit of dog hair on it, but I use it a lot, especially going to and from work. And they also came out with a mini version of this too. It almost looks like a little purse, but I don't have that one to show you. And now it's time to show you all of the brand new items that Cincha sent me. These are all items I have not used and I am now seeing for the first time. And we have a bit of a blue theme going on. It's actually not blue, it's cerulean, which reminds me of that scene in The Devil Wears Prada where Meryl Streep is telling Anne Hathaway, it's not blue, it's not turquoise, it's not lapis, it's cerulean. Okay, where do I start? So this looks just like that Go Tote, doesn't it? Pretty close. This is actually a water-resistant nylon and it has an expandable feature for when you suddenly become an overpacker on a trip. Sometimes I shop a lot. So it is called the Expandable Tote. Makes sense once you see how it expands. It comes in 3 different colors. Again, this is cerulean. This is a water-resistant nylon, which I think is a much better material. It has the same vegan leather straps, and again, the other straps hidden in here for your shoulders. That feature's so cool. Same vegan leather stripe on the side with the hole for your travel belt, and of course the zippered pocket on the back. But down here is where you have a zipper to expand. Now these are the dimensions of the bag right here, but it does expand an extra 4 inches. Check that out. Now, of course, there is the zipper on top, and the inside is very similar. You do have that same great laptop pocket, although this one actually fits a 15-inch laptop, and it has a snap to hold it in place. 2 slip pockets, once again, in front, still another zipper on this side, and 2 water bottle pockets. But we also have a strap to be able to attach to these D-rings that the bag has so that you can easily carry it more shoulder style or duffel bag style. Especially because it expands, it's gonna get heavier and you need this extra strap. Let me know where you would take this expandable tote. This may even be something great to use at the beach or on a road trip, not even just for plane travel. Now I have one more bag to show you. And again, in the color cerulean. This is the Nylon Zip All Tote. And it doesn't look like a tote. No, because it's folded up conveniently to then pop that open and become a bag. Now, I love a good foldable anything, especially for travel, because stuff is going to come up where you may want an extra bag, but you're not necessarily bringing this as a personal item. So this is that same great waterproof nylon, and at first I thought the bags were going to be similar, but they're not. It doesn't have the vegan leather straps or the sides, but it does still have the side to be able to put the belt through. It does not have a pocket in the back. This is where that extra snap is to be able to fold it, and it does have this, obviously, that's how you saw the bag was folded together, and the inside is pretty bare bones, to be honest. It's just that same nylon wipeable material. That's why this would be so great for a beach trip or something like that. You get sand, you get it wet, not a big deal. They do have one zippered pocket right in here, and then everything else, this is where those shoulder straps live. So yeah, great little tote. Now, I am so excited to show you that Cincha has now made a toiletry bag. And this is the larger version, but they also have a small version. But it's sold out right now, and I can't wait to get my hands on one when they come back. Now, you may be thinking, that doesn't look very big, but check it out. It's actually very, very big. And that's why this one is going to be better for a checked bag. In fact, it does hold some full-size items up to 5 inches tall. This has so many compartments. This is the front. Anytime you see a compartment like this, it is a zippered pocket. It's got that, waterproof, wipeable material, but then behind it is packing space. So you've got another one here, zippered pocket, packing space. And that's just the front. Because guess what? The back, same thing. Zippered pocket, packing space, zippered pocket, packing space. Wow. And it sits flat on the counter like that. This is a very, very smart design, and even though I probably won't use this size for travel, I can definitely keep a lot of my makeup or toiletries in this bag at home to save space in my bathroom. So I've shown you the belts, the bags, the totes, all of that. Now I need to show you the straps. 2 more items, guys. So this is a luggage strap. I know it looks a little crazy right now. I'll show you some examples in just a minute, but it comes in 4 different colors or designs, and you're basically going to strap this around your luggage for extra security. Maybe your zipper breaks, maybe your trunk latches pop off, something like that. This is going to give some extra security for you to still be able to close your luggage. But it's also going to give you a nice little pop of color or personality, and then therefore your bag will be a little bit more unique when you see it, especially on a luggage carousel. Now, this is designed to be able to fit carry-ons and checked bags. So here it is on a carry-on that's internationally sized, and then here it is on a carry-on that is a little bit bigger, and those are the only sizes that I own. This part here is the same material as the travel belt, although the actual buckle is different, and then this material here is elastic, and it still has vegan leather details. And the last thing that I want to show you today is pretty exciting. It's a luggage connector, and it's a 2-pack. Now, these actually come in 9 different colors and prints, which is so much fun. So what these are for is when you want to connect 2 different pieces of luggage. Let's say you're rolling through the airport, you and your travel buddy, right? And you just want to keep your bags together. That's where these will come in handy. But also, if you want to connect a smaller bag onto your bag, this will come in handy as well. But what you're going to do is unbuckle this. It's the same great buckle as the travel belt, and kind of looks just like just a little tiny travel belt, and you're going to slip it through the handle on top of your luggage, and then that's where you are going to connect the other bags together. All right, guys, so what do you think? I absolutely love this small business. They are so wonderful. I love that they started with one thing, and I love that they've grown so much more to create all of these other innovative products that just makes travel easier. I mean, the travel belt is a classic. It helps so much, especially the wide one when you have a wide handle on your luggage. I love these little bags so much. Not only do they go on the travel belt, but I use them by themselves all the time. The belt bag, I mean, come on, it's 2-in-1. The 3 totes, how incredible are those? They hold so much. But then the expandable one holds even more. Or you can have the little foldable one, the Zip-All tote. That was incredible. And now you've got a couple of different straps too. What will they come up with next? Honestly, if there's something that you guys want, comment down below because they'll probably read it and maybe they'll make one for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're subscribed and that you like this video and that you follow us on Instagram. I have so many amazing videos for you this year, whether I show you my travel vlogs or I'm reviewing products or if I am helping you with anything travel related. 107 countries and counting. I want to teach you everything I know and help you check everything off of your bucket list. Travel often and pack well. That's what we do here. Enjoy your trip, travel safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.